earlier we were talking about, having a good woman in your corner.
Yeah.
And, it's very important to have solid people in your corner whenever you want to reach somewhere in life.
Definitely.
You see me? Link tree that. What does it mean to have a good, strong woman in your corner?
Yo, trust me, it's very important.
Yeah.
Very important, because what going on is man and woman wired
differently. Yeah.
We process things different.
Facts.
You get what I'm saying?
Facts.
So what would be a man's strong point would probably be a woman's weak point. And what would be a woman's weak point would probably be a man's strong point.
Facts.
You get what I'm saying? So when you try to build something, you and a woman can build it way faster than building it by yourself or building it.
As a saying said, two head better than one.
Yeah. And especially when you have the opposite sex. Now you get a whole different perspective.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Yeah.
So, this young lady, we're not going to call any names because I noticed you didn't.
Yeah.
How long were you and her talking?
Approximately about 4 years.
And you guys accomplished that much in that space of time?
Yeah, man. In about 3 years, the union bring in millions of dollars.
Damn.
And
these folks are young.
Yeah.
Young.
Yeah.
So you guys saw millions in revenue just selling products using your social media platform.
Yeah.
And turning that into gold. Yeah. Because remember, him say, him they have the clout. Mm-hmm. And she used her business savvy, create a business for herself.
Yeah.
And then help him to grow female on push right there.
Yeah.
You see me? So Lincoln now, knowing what he's been through and knowing what his wifey at the time has done for him, he made a statement that a lot of women, they loved it. Okay?
Yes.
They don't know, so the girl them love Lincoln,
Yeah.
You see me? And then now you have some of the dog them now. We are say, yo, Lincoln a rubbish chat, bro.
Yeah.
Ray.
Simp.
Yeah, yes. Oh yeah, the most famous word.
Yeah.
Oh bro, you're a simp. Oh, you're a beta male.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So I saw that video, right? Mm-hmm. And then I made a video of my own, just for clout and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? It did work.
Go with the hot topic.
Yeah, it did work, by the way. I'm not, especially on TikTok.
Yeah.
Motherfuckers ate that up. They ate it up.
Yeah.
So I did a video and I was like, yo, pay all our bills, bruh. You understand what I say? Una go on like una look boy, pay our bills, and then you're a Lincoln say, pay all of the bills. You see me? And then the day after that, I get a big page, you understand? It's an encyclopedia. I get a the dog I say, yo, yeah, call up my name, my lad. I say, yo, no, bro, nothing like that. Because when it comes to social media, bro, I'm ready to talk to a man face to face.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah,
I feel like
social media.
Yeah.
Like it.
Especially we are men, bro. We need to be more united in this thing, bro.
It's true.
It's your woman steer, bro. Like, woman can't tell them thing, but it's when woman rock with them one another, bro.
Yo, them rock,
Oh my God. So
them
it's like,
rock.
man, bro, that's why we don't reach nowhere, brother, because we just they all willy-nilly.
Yeah.
We don't care about man and woman I go through and all these things, bro. So it's like,
you look on the girl, them all of the boss girl, them follow each other.
Yes.
Them comment on each other picture.
They support each other.
Them go up on the business and buy something. And this is the movement for women right now.
Yes.
And the whole of them are start business and the whole of them just are moving on one click. So
yes.
And man just stand up and I look so.
Looking and bad mind.
And a bad mind.
So I made the video and it never the G because he don't know me personally. He feel like me one of them other youth they were out there just call up him name. You see me? But I would never do that because me know and him know people we have mutuals.
Friends.
You see me? We have mutual friends. So it's like I've never met him, but more than ever disrespect him because I know say one day I'm gonna have to meet him because we know people.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So I explain to the G and we're there right so right now. So when you made that statement, right? Did you never anticipate like a lot of backlash from the man them? Or is something that you're used to?
Me never really anticipate the level of backlash we get.
Yeah.
Because me did just feel like that is normal.
Yeah.
Because I grew up and see my grandfather take care of my grandmother. My grandmother never worked yet.
Yeah.
And my grandfather never rich.
Yeah.
As somebody will run taxi.
Okay.
You get what me I say? Okay. And then my father was a drug dealer. My father take care of everybody.
Okay.
my father pay the bills.
Yeah.
You get what I say? So I thought it was just normal. Me never expect every man to start to cuss me and I say, oh,
yeah.
you're simp and you're this and you're that. I think a normal thing, man. Pay the bill in your house.
Yeah.
That's what I see.
Bro, but you see the thing about it is that what I said to you was that they are on the outside looking in.
Yeah.
They only see what is presented to them.
Yeah.
Because you're not going to tell people your business.
Yeah.
They don't need to know anyway.
Yeah, true.
But just based on the story that you told me a while ago.
Yeah.
Bro, if I was in your position, bro, I would pay all her bills too.
Have to.
This is a woman that believed in you.
Yeah.
Zin, she was already popping. Well, he was popping, but she used that clout to
generate money for the two of it.
For the two of them. And then, in the end, helped him to start his empire.
Yeah.
So she had fear empire, and then she helped him to start fee one. So the G is basically saying, thank you, with him doing all that he's doing or what he say he would do.
Yeah.
What is so hard to understand in that?
Yeah.
He's not talking about taking up some loose girl and just fund her life just because she cute.
No, I would never.
And she got
do
a
that.
big ass.
I would never do that. No.
This is somebody who believed in him.
Yeah.
So when time I go somewhere now, we talk, bro, I say, yo, brother, bro, I would never tell a man how to run for him household because no man can tell me how to run my household. That's number one.
Straight.
So it's like, I'm glad say it happen or it happen.
Yeah.
Because maybe me and you wouldn't even the right answer right now.
Sure.
You see what I say?
Sure.
So it's like, I told when me talk, and even with the story I tell me right now, bro, me paying my girl bills, bro, that ain't nothing.
Yeah.
That's me telling her thank you.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
Because you changed my life to where I can pay my rent.
Yes.
On your own.
Yeah.
That's not no simp shit, bro.
No.
Do you guys know what a simp? Do you guys know what a beta male is, bro? Do you guys really know the meaning of those terms? I think you guys are just regurgitating things from the ear on the internet, bad bro. Running off on the mouth.
Yeah.
And a lot of us, me never grow in a father. And a lot of you never grow in a father neither. So you don't even know how it look like for a man to take care of a woman. So that's why I know I want to have these things for say bad, bro. You understand what I say? You never see it yet, bro. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
So you can't set the G this and the G that when you self, you never have a woman where showing them things as me say a girl wouldn't even butter her bread for you.
Because what happens is this, right? When you have a woman who add value to you, right? In return, you do things like that.
Yes.
You pay the bills and you take her shopping and she add value to you.
Add value, yep.
You see me I say? And even though my ex add value to me in a financial way, will make me make more money and them something there. But you have woman who add value to you in ways that's not necessarily financial.
Yeah.
And man need to recognize that. When you have a woman in your house where buy the little candle them and change the curtain and wash the clothes and cook, them things that's adding value to you.
True.
You get what me I say? Make you come home to a nice house or stuff like that.
Comfort.
Yeah, and it makes you more productive. And you make more money. And this is a woman who you're supposed to take care of.
Yeah.
Even though she not give you she not give you money or money ideas, she's giving you a peace of mind and a home to come home to.
And that, as you said a while ago, it makes you more productive.
Exactly.
Because if you're coming home to a life of misery, bro, there's nothing you're going to want to do. You're going to be uninspired. You're going to be unmotivated. You're going to be lazy. You're depressed.
Exactly.
But if you're coming home to nothing but love and comfort,
yes,
there's space to always do more. There's space to always improve. You're going to want to improve her life.
Yeah. And brother, may I show you something? You know how important a simple compliment from your woman is, and how much it boosts your testosterone and make you more productive.
Yeah.
You come home and your woman just can look upon you and say, babe, you're so strong.
Yeah.
You're such a king. You're so them little thing, them enough man no value them.
Yeah.
You get what me I say?